Okay, y'all, today I'm back here in the shop and got a little project of organization of my tools. And what that consists of is, I saw this project a while back and I thought it was pretty handy, and it consisted of this 1" by 1/2 inch board here. You put a knob and an inexpensive rail, and you got an easy to contain set of tools that you can basically pull out your drawer and use them for whatever project you use working on. And then once you do that, just pop them right back into the drawer. So I'm gonna put that stuff together here and start organizing my tools. Now for this project, this is what the items that you all need to make it happen. So right off the bat, you're gonna need the circular saw. You're gonna need the drill for your knobs. You need your wood screws to secure the rails to the wood, tape measure, obviously whatever tools that you want to secure to your rails to the actual wood. And then finally, the one thing, quick tip, colored pencils. You can get these very inexpensive at your local Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, Dollar General, whatever the case may be. But these things here work really well. They're inexpensive, and you can get a lot of them for the cost of one carpenter's pencil. So with that being said, I'm gonna show you how I put this together. So you want to go ahead and make it 18 inches because that's the depth of my drawer. Now you want to measure 3/4 of an inch for where you want the knob to go. You want to put it in the center. It's just wood. It doesn't have to be exact for the most part. However, being that I already have a tool, a rail ready to set up. So one of the things I want to show you all real quick is that when your sockets are shorter, it is more steady on a block like this. But when you get to the 1/2 inch drive, they tend to be a little bit on the heavier side. And I think I know you need a wider board. So this is a 3" board, and I put them on, and as you can see, they're pretty solid. They're not going anywhere or whatnot in comparison to being on a skinnier block like this one here. So with that said, I'm gonna finish making the rest of the rails for my socket, and we'll transition to my toolbox. Okay, guys, right off the bat, one of my biggest concern was when I put the item in here, it's gonna hit the socket. So I'm gonna have to do something different there. I thought I had this mapped out. Yep, I had to do something different. I'll come up with a plan. Okay, y'all, I ran into a bit of a snafu. My snafu is that with the board and socket rail, it measures at 4¼ inches. However, my drawer is only 4 inches in depth. So as you can see, if I try to close it, the socket hit. So what I did was I grabbed a 1/4 inch board, measured it at 18 inches, and put it together, and it closes. So I'm gonna make the adjustment for the taller sockets and finish making my boards. I think I'm gonna swap this around because I like the skinnier or the smaller sockets closer to the knob. So I think that's a better look. So I'll get that done here in a second. Y'all, we're done with this project, and to be honest with you, it turned out well. I like the look of the wooden rails. It matches the top of my toolbox because my top is actually wood as well. It contrasts with the black of my toolbox. There's nothing handier than picking up your rail with the knob and grabbing the sockets that you need to do the jobs that you need to do. So with that being said, I hope you all learned something. You can use it in the future. As far as me and my future, I got to clean this stuff up here. So we'll see y'all next time.